Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So on contract account we have already solved four problems. In previous problems we have solved a single contract account. But in today's problem we have to prepare two contract account because M contractor has taken two contracts, contract A and contract B. So we have to prepare two contract accounts, one for contract A and one for contract B. Let's see what information they have given related to these two contracts. The following information relates to contracts of M Contractors Limited in 1990. Particulars: Contract A, Contract B. Material sent to site, it is to be debited. Labor, debit side we have to take. Plant, on debit side of the contract account. Direct expenses, debit side. Establishment charges, debit. Material returned to store, it is to be credited. Work certified, work uncertified. Where we will take this item? In credit side under the head work in progress. Correct? Materials at site on 31st December 90. So this is the closing material. We'll take on credit side of the contract account. Wages accrued on 31st December. Wages accrued means it is outstanding. So whatever the labor amount we have, to that we have to add this wages accrued. Direct expenses accrued on 31st December. It is to be added to direct expenses amount. Value of plant on 31st December. This is the closing value of plant. It is to be written on the credit side of the contract account. The contract price was rupees 5 lakh for contract A and rupees 4 lakh for contract B. Understood? The contract price of contract A is 5 lakh and for contract B, the contract price is 4 lakh. The cash received from contractee was 80% of the value of work certified. Prepare contract account. So certain information they have given. Let's prepare the contract A and contract B. So we'll start the solution. Contract A. So in one format only I have taken contract A and contract B. So it will be easy to prepare the contract account. It will save your time and energy. So the columns, particulars, contract A, contract B, particulars, contract A and contract B. So information related to contract A, you have to write here and related to B here and same to the credit side. So first what we will take? Material sent to site. For contract A amount is 1,70,698 and for B material sent to site is 1,46,534. So see the solution part. In that first write two materials. In A column write 1,70,698 and in B column 1,46,534. Clear? See the problem. Next item is labor. 2 labor. Contract A amount is 1,48,750. Contract B 1,37,046. So wages outstanding amount is given. So add that. Wages accrued. What all of you? This one. Add outstanding. A is 4,800 and B 4,200. See the third item, plant. In contract account, plant value is 30,000 In contract B, 25,000. So in solution, write to plant A 30,000 and B 25,000. Direct expenses. Write on the debit side two direct expenses A 6,334 and B 5,718. To that we have to add outstanding direct expenses accrued on 31st December. A 480, B 360. See the next item. Establishment charges. Two establishment charges. A 8,252 and for contract B 7,704. See the problem. Material return to store. It is to be credited. Right credit side. By material return to store. A column right 1,098. B 1,264. Next is work certified and work uncertified. We'll write in credit side by work in progress. In that first write work certified. Contract A work certified amount is 3,90,000 and contract B work certified amount is 2,90,000. Simple problem, just two contracts they have taken. Work uncertified amount in contract A 9,000, contract B 6,000. Material at site on 31st December. This is the closing material. We'll take on the credit side by material contract A 3,766 and contract B 3,472. Direct expenses accrued over. Value of plant on 31st December. This is the closing value of plant. By plant, contract A, plant value is 22,000 and contract B, 19,000. So all the items are over. Now we have to see the total balances. So first we'll total the column A, contract A. So the total of contract A is at these amount 1,098 plus 3,90,000 plus 9,000 plus 3,766 plus 22,000. Add these five items and total of five item is 4,25,864. Okay, credit side total of contract A is 4,25,864. At debit side of the contract account 1,70,698 plus 1,48,750 plus 4,800 plus 30,000 plus 6,334 plus 480 plus 8,252. Add these items and the total of debit side is 3,69,340. Okay, debit side total of contract A is 3,69,340 and credit side total of contract A is 4,25,864. Means the credit side balance of contract A is more. So So we'll take this balance 4,25,864. So I have written here the total of credit side of contract A 4,25,864. Same amount we'll write on the debit side of contract account 4,25,864. From this 4,25,864 minus this one 3,69,314, or you can minus all these items material, labor, plant, direct expenses, establishment expenses, and you will get the difference amount 56,550. Understood? From 4,25,864, you have to minus all these items or the total of these items, that is 3,69,340, and you will get the difference amount 56,550. So if you get the difference amount in the debit side, what we have to write? To notional profit. So in contract A, we have got profit, that is to notional profit carried down. Same notional profit we will brought down here. By notional profit brought down in credit side. Same amount 56,550. Clear this contract A? Now we'll total the contract B. Calculate credit side of contract B 1,264 plus 2,90,000 plus 6,000 plus 3,472 plus 19,000. Add these five items and you will get the total 3,19,736. Okay, 3,19,736. This is the total of credit side of contract B. Total debit side of contract B 1,46,534 plus 1,37,046 plus 4,200 plus 25,000 plus 5,718 plus 360 plus 7,704. You will get total 3,26,562. Okay, the total of debit side of contract B is 3,26,562. So compare these. Debit side you got 3,26,562, and credit side you have got total of contract B 3,19,736. So which side you have got the more amount? Debit side. So that one we will take. So write the total of contract B 3,26,562. Here everything is ready made, but you have to calculate. You have to compare the debit side with credit side to get the difference amount. Got all of you? So we'll write the contract B total 3,26,562, and same amount we'll write on the credit side, that is 3,26,562. From this amount minus 3,19,736, or you can minus all these amounts and you will get the difference 6 lakh, sorry, 6,826. If we get the difference amount in on credit side, it is a loss. Got all of you? If you get the difference amount in debit side, it is a profit to in that contract. And if you get the difference amount on the credit side, it is a loss. So in contract B, there is a loss because you have got the difference amount on the credit side, that is 6,826. To that right, to profit and loss account in bracket mention loss. So whatever the loss amount you will get, the entire loss amount is transferred to profit and loss account. For that you have to write by profit and loss account in bracket loss. So in contract A, you have got profit 56,550 and in contract B, you have got loss that is 6,826. Clear? So this notional profit is brought down here on the credit side. Now we have to transfer this notional profit to profit and loss account and reserve. For that, we have to prepare a note. Before that, we'll see how much we have to transfer, how much amount we have to transfer to profit and loss account. So what is the first condition? If the work certified amount is less than one-fourth of the contract price, no amount is transferred to profit and loss account. So the contract price of contract A is the last para. The contract price was rupees 5 lakh for A. We have to see only for contract A because we have got profit in contract A and in contract B we have got loss. So the contract price of contract A is 5 lakh, correct? And work certified amount of contract A is, see the A column, work certified amount is 3 lakh 90,000. So now we have to see. So first calculate one-fourth of contract price, 5 lakh into one-fourth. How much you will get? 1 lakh 25,000. So the work certified amount is not less than one-fourth of contract price. So this condition will not apply here. Next, 5 lakh into half. How much you will get? Half of the contract price? 2 lakh 50,000. So the work certified amount is not less than half of the contract price because second condition what it say? If the work certified amount is more than one-fourth of contract price but less than half of the contract price. So this one is also will not apply here. 5 lakh into 3/4 because third condition what it say? If the contract price is half or more than half but less than 3/4 of the contract price. So 5 lakh into 3/4 you will get 3 lakh 75,000. 3 lakh 75,000. So the work certified amount is less than 3/4 of the contract price. So what is the last condition? If the work certified amount is more than 3/4 or nearing to complete, in such cases, the amount of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account is based on estimated profit. But in this problem, they have not given information related to estimated profit and they have not given any information to calculate the estimated profit. So we'll take the second condition, third condition. What is the third condition? If the contract price is, if the work certified amount is half or more than half but less than 3/4 of the contract price, in such cases, 2/3 of notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account. We'll prepare the note. Note. Calculation of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. Formula is profit and loss account is equal to 2/3 into notional profit into percentage of cash received. 2/3, same we will write notional profit. In contract A, we have got notional profit that is 56,550. So write here 56,550 into percentage of cash received. See the last sentence of the problem. Cash received from contractee was 80% of the value of work certified. This is the percentage of cash received. So write 80%. Calculate it. 2/3 into 56,550 into 80%. Directly you can take 80% or you can take 80 divided by 100. And you will get 30,160. So this amount is transferred to profit and loss account. So come to solution part, contract account. In that write to profit and loss account 30,160. Just we have calculated. And remaining amount to reserve. So the total notional profit amount is 56,550. In that 30,160 amount is transferred to profit and loss account. So how much remain from 56,550 minus 30,160? You will get 26,390. So this amount is transferred to reserve. So right here to reserve 26,390 and total of these two you will get 56,550. Same we'll write credit side 56,550. Clear? So in contract A we got profit, that is 56,550, and in contract B we have got loss, that is 6,826. Hope you got the solution. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So in last video, we have prepared two contract account, correct? The contractor has taken two different accounts, that is contract A and contract B. But in today's problem, the contractor has taken one contract only. But to complete that contract, the contractor has taken 3 years. Okay, one contract only has continued for 3 years. The contract has started in the year 1984 and it is completed in 1986. Okay, so we have to prepare three contract accounts. One for 1984, one for 1985, and one for 1986. So I'll read out the problem. Problem number 6. From the following, prepare contract account for 3 years. That is 1984, 1985, and 1986. So they have given information related to these 3 years. Particulars 1984, 1985, and 1986. We'll see what information they have given. Material issued, that is opening value of the material, wages, other charges, machinery issued. So machinery issued on 1984, that is 50,000. And here nil. Value of machinery at the end of the year, that is the closing value of machinery, material returned, materials at site at the end. This is the closing value of material, which we have to take on the credit side of the contract account. Work uncertified and work certified. So these two things we will take under the head work in progress. Contract price was rupees 12 lakh. So the contract value, the contract price of this contract is 12 lakh. And cash received when contract was incomplete was 80% of work certified. So the cash received is 80% of work certified. So by taking all this information, we have to prepare contract account for 1984, 1985 and 1986. Three separate account we have to prepare. So first we will prepare the contract account for 1984. So we'll start the solution. Heading Contract Account for 1984. So now you just concentrate on the information related to 1984. This 1985 and 96 we'll see later. Okay, concentrate on this first column, 1984 information. So 1984 material issued is 1,10,000. It is to be written on the debit side of the contract account. So write to material 1,10,000. Wages. In 1984, wages amount is 2,20,000 to wages 2,20,000. Next item, other charges. In 1984, other charges amount is 10,000. Write debit side. To other charges amount is 10,000. Machinery issued. Machinery issued. The value of machinery is 50,000. Right? To machinery amount is 50,000. Next item. Material returned. In 1984, material return is 1,000. It is to be written on the credit side of the contract account. Buy material returned 1,000. Okay, I missed this one. Value of machinery at the end of the year. Value of machinery at the end of the year. This is the closing value of machinery. In 1984, the closing value of machinery is 45,000. It is to be written on the credit side. Buy machinery 45,000. This material return we have taken. Next item. Material at side at the end. So closing value of material will take on the credit side and the amount is 3,000. Buy material at site amount is 3,000. Next is work uncertified and work certified. These two items we will take under the head work in progress. Buy work in progress. In that work certified amount is 4 lakh. Work uncertified amount is 2,000. And total of these two 4 lakh 2,000. Clear? Now add debit side. 1 lakh 10,000 plus 2 lakh 20,000 plus 10,000 plus 50,000. Add these 5 items and you will get 3 lakh 90,000 total value of this debit side. Total credit side 45,000 plus 1,000 plus 3,000 plus 4 lakh 2,000 and the total of credit side is 4 lakh 51,000. So which side will get the more balance? Credit side. So this one will take. So write the total of credit side here 4 lakh 51,000. Same amount we will write on the debit side 4 lakh 51,000. From 4 lakh 51,000 minus all these amounts 1 lakh 10,000, 2 lakh 20,000, 10,000, 50,000. Or from 4 lakh 51,000 minus 3 lakh 90,000. You will get the difference amount 61,000. Okay, so difference amount is 61,000. So this 61,000 is called to notional profit carried down. Understood? From 4 lakh 51,000 minus all these items and you will get the difference 61,000. This is called to notional profit carried down. Same will write on the credit side. By notional profit brought down. And the amount is 61,000. So this notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account and reserve. So on the basis of certain conditions, we have to transfer the amount of notional profit to profit and loss account and reserve. So the first condition is if the work certified amount is less than one-fourth of the contract price, then no amount is transferred to profit and loss account. So the contract price is 12 lakh, correct? See the problem, contract price is 12 lakh. 12 lakh into one-fourth, how much you will get? Calculate 12 lakh into one-fourth. You will get 3 lakh. Yes. So the work certified amount is how much? See the 1984 column. 4 lakh. So work certified amount is not less than one-fourth of the contract price. So leave that. So what is the second condition? The work certified amount should be more than one-fourth of the contract price, but less than half of the contract price. 12 lakh into half, how much you will get? 6 lakh. So the work certified amount is less than half of the contract price. So we'll take the second condition because the work certified amount is more than one-fourth, but it is less than half of the contract price. So what is the second condition formula? One-third of notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account. So we'll calculate the note. Formula is profit and loss account is equal to one-third into notional profit into percentage of cash received. One-third notional profit. In this problem, in 1984, notional profit is 61,000. Right here, 61,000 into percentage of cash received. See the last sentence of the problem. Cash received when contract was incomplete was 80%. This one will take here. Percentage of cash received 80%. Calculate it. One-third into 61,000 into 80%. You will get 16,266. So this amount is transferred to profit and loss account. To profit and loss account 16,266. And the remaining balance is transferred to reserve. So what is the total value? Total notional profit amount is 61,000. From this 61,000, 16,266 amount is transferred to reserve. And the remaining balance to 16,266 amount is transferred to profit and loss account. And remaining balance we have to transfer to reserve. You will get 44,734. This amount is transferred to reserve. To reserve, right here, to reserve. This amount 44,734. Got all of you? Out of this 61,000, 16,266 transferred to profit and loss account and remaining to reserve, that is 44,734. And total of these two 61,000 and same here 61,000. Got this account for the year 1984. Next we'll prepare the contract account for the year 1985. So whatever here closing balance is there, that one will take as a opening balance in the next year. Closing balance, machinery, material return, material at site, work in progress. All these balances will take to the next year as the opening balance of the 1985. So we'll prepare contract account for the year 1985. Okay, let's start the contract account for 1985. Heading contract account for 1985. So first what we have to take? The closing value of the 1984. First write to balance brought down. So last year balances we have to brought down here in 1985. To balance brought down. First we will take work in progress. So just see work in progress total amount is how much? The total of work certified and work uncertified 4 lakh 2000. That will take here. Work in progress 4 lakh 2000. Understood from where I have got this? From last year contract account 1984. The total of work certified and work uncertified amount is 4 lakh 2000. That is work in progress. From that, less reserve. The amount transferred to reserve is the last we have got no to amount profit and loss account 16,266 and to reserve 44,734. That amount we have to take. Less reserve amount is 44,734. Okay, from 4 lakh 2,000 minus 44,734. You will get 3,57,266. Next, machinery. See the last year contract account 1984 machinery closing value is see the credit side of the contract account of 1984. Machinery amount is 45,000. Then material returned is 1,000. Material at side 3,000. Okay, for all these things you have to refer the contract account of 1984. Work in progress, reserve, machinery and material. Clear this first part? Now see the problem. In that 1985. See the information related to 1985. In 1985, material issued amount is 1,20,000. That one we have to record here. To material 1,20,000. First, we have to take the last year balances. That is 1984 balances we have taken here. Now we'll see the 1985 information. In that first one, material issued 1,20,000. Wages in 1985. To wages amount is 60,000. Other charges in 1985 amount is 8,000. Two other charges 8,000. Machinery issued nil. Okay. Value of machinery at the end of the year. In 1985, the value of machinery at the end of the year is 40,000. We'll take on the credit side of the contract account. Buy machinery 40,000. Material returned amount is 500. Buy material returned 500. Material at site at the end. Closing value of material 4,000. Buy material at site amount is 4,000. Next, work uncertified amount 6,000 and work certified amount is 10 lakh. So this one will take on credit side by work in progress. In that first one, work certified. Work certified amount is 10 lakh and work uncertified amount is 6,000 and total of these two 1 lakh, sorry, 10 lakh 6,000. Okay, add this debit side 3,57,266 plus 45,000 plus 1,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 60,000 plus 8,000, and the total you will get 5,94,266. Okay, 5,94,266. This is the total of debit side. Add credit side, 40,000 plus 500 plus 4,000 plus 10 lakh 6,000, and the total is 10 lakh 50,000. So credit side balance is more. We'll take that amount here. We'll write 10 lakh 50,500, and same amount we'll write on the debit side, 10 lakh 50,500. From 10 lakh 50,500, deduct all these above, or deduct 5,94,266, and you will get the balance 4,56,234. This is to notional profit carried down. To notional profit carried down, 4,56,234. So same amount will be brought down here by notional profit brought down 4,56,234. So this notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account and to reserve. So here contract price, the value of contract is 12 lakh, and in 1985 the work certified amount is 10 lakh, means it is more than half of the contract price. So we'll take the condition number 3 formula, that is 2/3 of notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account. We'll prepare the note. Calculation of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. Formula, profit and loss account is equal to 2/3 into notional profit into percentage of cash received. 2/3 notional profit. In this 1985, notional profit is 4,56,234 into percentage of cash received, that is 80%. Calculated. 2/3 into 4,56,234 into 80%. You will get 2,43,325. Okay, this amount is transferred to profit and loss account, to profit and loss account, 2,43,325, and remaining balance to reserve, that is 2,12,909, and total of these two 4,56,234, and same on the credit side. Got this contract account for the year 1985. So next we'll prepare the contract account for the last year, that is 1986. So all these balances, machinery 40,000, material return 500, material at site 4,000, work in progress 10 lakh 6,000, all these balances will be brought down in the year 1986. So let's prepare the contract account for the year 1986. Yes, contract account for the year 1986. This is the final one. Okay, to prepare this account, refer the 1986 information. Last one, last column. So first what we have to do? First we have to take the balances of last year, 1985. Refer the 1985 contract account. To balance brought down, in that first we will take work in progress. So last year work in progress amount is 10 lakh 6,000. From that minus reserve. Reserve amount is 2 lakh 12,909. From 1 lakh 6,000 minus 2 lakh 12,909, and you will get 7 lakh 93,091. Next, last year balance, machinery 40,000, material returned 500, material outside 4,000. Okay, to write all these information, we have to refer the contract account for the year 1985, the closing value of machinery, material, work in progress, etc. Clear this first part? Next, we'll see the 1985 year information. Material issued 80,000, right? To material 80,000. Wages 2 lakh. To wages 2 lakh. Other charges 20,000. To other charges 20,000. Machinery issued nil. Value of machinery at the end of the year. At the end of the year, in 1986, the value of machinery is 36,000. Right, credit side. Buy machinery 36,000. Material return nil. Material at site at the end 2,000. Buy material at site 2,000. So when the contract is not completed, then you will take by work in progress. In that, work certified and work uncertified. When the contract is completed, in credit side you will write by contractee account, and you have to write the contract price. So in this problem, contract price is 12 lakh. That one we'll write here. Understood? When the contract is completed, so in 1986, this contract is completed. That's why we have to write by contractee account, and we have to take the contract value, contract price, that is 12 lakh. Clear? So now calculate this credit side, 36,000 plus 2,000 plus 12 lakh, and the total is 12 lakh 38,000. The same balance we'll write on the debit side, 12 lakh 38,000. From 12 lakh 38,000 minus all these amounts. 7 lakh 93,091, 40,000, 500, 4,000, 80,000, 2 lakh 20,000. And you will get the difference amount 1 lakh 4,000, 1 lakh 409. So this 4 lakh 409 entire amount is transferred to profit and loss account. Why? When the contract is completed, the entire profit amount is transferred to profit and loss account. Okay, uh, accounts, in previous account, we got the notional profit, and the portion of notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account, and the portion of notional profit is reserve, transferred to reserve. Why? Because that contract is not completed. In 1986, the contract is completed. So when the contract is completed, the entire profit amount is transferred to profit and loss account. So to this difference amount, we have to write to profit and loss account, because this profit amount is transferred to profit and loss account. Got all of you? When contract is completed, the entire profit is transferred to profit and loss account. When the contract is not completed and if you got the profit, a portion of profit is transferred to profit and loss account and remaining to reserve. Clear this point? It's very important. So got this problem? So in this problem, we have prepared three accounts. One for the year 1984, one for 1985 and 1986. So such types of problems are asked for 15 marks in exams. Welcome to Avneet Academy. Today we will solve the last problem of contract costing. Yes, we'll just recall the previous videos or previous classes. So in contract costing, what we have studied, meaning of contract costing, who is called contractor, who is called contractee, difference between job costing and contract costing. And we have calculated profit on incomplete contracts. Yes, we have studied the condition and on that we have solved four problems. Then we have discussed the format of contract account and we have nearly solved six problems on contract costing. Today we will solve problem number 7 on contract costing. If you want link of all these previous video, I have given in the description box. You can check in description box. And for more such videos, you have to subscribe my channel. So let's start the problem number 7. Anup Construction undertook a contract for rupees 4 lakh. Okay, the price of contract is 4 lakh. On 1st January 1991. So when it is started this contract? On 1st January 1991. From the following particulars, prepare contract account for the year ending 31st December 1991. So 1 year contract. It is started on 1st January and it gets end on 31st December. And show how much profit should be appropriated on the basis of estimated total profit. So this problem is based on estimated profit. Okay, in this problem, we have to prepare the contract account and we have to calculate the estimated profit because on the basis of estimated profit, we have to distribute the or we have to transfer the notional profit to profit and loss account and reserve. Okay, we'll see what they have given. Material 90,000, plant issued 30,000, wages 1,20,000, working expenses 2,000, administrative expenses 5,000, material costing rupees 5,000 were sold for rupees 4,500. Okay, the original value of material is 5,000 but it is sold for rupees 4,500. Work certified 3,60,000. Plant at site on 31st December 15,000. This is the closing value of plant. Cost of work not yet certified. Okay, the work is completed but it is not certified. What it is called? Work uncertified. Okay, the work uncertified amount is 10,000. Next is, it was estimated that, so certain additional information they have given. In that point A, the contract would be completed in further period of 3 months when the plant will have a residual value of rupees 5,000. Okay, the contract is of 1 year but will extend for 3 months and till then the plant will have a residual value. Residual value means estimated value of a plant after it is fully depreciated. So the residual value of plant is rupees 5,000. B. The additional wages required to complete the contract would come to rupees 20,000. Okay. To complete this contract, they will require additional wages and the amount is rupees 20,000. C. The additional working expenses would be rupees 3,000 and administrative expenses would be rupees 2,000. And the last point, the material required would cost rupees 13,000. Okay, all these things they have required. So these are the additional things which they require to complete this contract. Got? So let's start the solution. Heading contract account. Particulars rupees, particular rupees. So this is the debit side and this is the credit. So first what we have to take? Material. Material amount is 90,000. So write to material 90,000. Plant issue. Right, debit side to plant 30,000. Wages. To wages 1,20,000. Okay, all the expenses we have to take on the debit side. Working expenses 2,000. To working expenses 2,000. Administrative expenses 5,000. To administrative expenses amount is 5,000. Next, material costing rupees 5,000 were sold for rupees 4,500. Okay, material sold for 4,500. So it is a income. So we'll write on the credit side by material sold. So material sold for 4,500. So write in amount column 4,500. See this point. Material costing rupees 5,000. Okay, is the original value, the actual value of material is 5,000. But it is sold for 4,500. Means there is a 500 rupees loss. Got all of you? The actual value of material is 5,000. But it is sold for rupees 4,500. Means in this transaction, they have incurred 500 rupees loss. And loss you have to record on the credit side of the contract account. So write credit side by loss on sale of material. Okay, profit you have to record in debit side and loss in credit side. By loss on sale of material, in bracket I have written 5,000 minus 4,500 and the difference amount is 500. Clear this one? Okay, work certified we'll see later. We'll take later on. Plant at site on 31st December. So this is the closing value of plant. We'll write on credit side by plant and the value is 15,000. Next, by work in progress. In work in progress, we have to take work certified and work uncertified. So the work certified amount is, see in the problem, 3,60,000. So write work certified 3,60,000. Work uncertified is here. Cost of work not yet certified, that is considered as work uncertified. Amount is 10,000. Work uncertified 10,000. And total of these two 3,70,000. So this additional information, additional requirement will take to calculate the estimated profit. We should not record all these A, B, C, D information. All these things will not record in the contract account. It is for to calculate the estimated profit or estimated cost. Okay. All the informations we have taken here. Now calculate the credit side of the contract account. 4,500 plus 500 plus 15,000 plus 3,70,000. Okay, total of these four item is 3,90,000. Okay, total of credit side is 3,90,000. Same we will write in debit side 3,90,000. From 3,90,000 minus all these items. Okay, deduct all these amounts. 90,000 minus 30,000 minus 1,20,000 minus 2,000 minus 5,000, and you will get the difference amount 1,43,000. This is called to notional profit. Okay, same profit will be brought down in the credit side. By notional profit brought down, amount is 1,43,000. So when we get the notional profit, what we have to do? A portion of notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account and remaining to reserve. Okay, in this problem, there is no need to see which condition is applied because in problem, they have clearly mentioned that, see this first para, show how much profit should be appropriated on the basis of estimated profit. So this problem is based on estimated profit, means we have to calculate the amount of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account on the basis of estimated profit. So in this problem, they have not clearly mentioned the or they have not given the estimated profit, but they have given certain information. By taking all these information, we can calculate the estimated profit. So let's calculate the estimated profit. Okay, let's prepare the notes. First, we have to calculate the estimated total cost. Note number one, calculation of estimated total cost. In that, first we have to take expenses incurred up to 31st December 1991. Okay, we have to first record we have to take the first expenses. So, expenses incurred up to 31st December, material. Okay, you can refer the problem or you can refer the contract account to record all these items. Material. Material is how much? 90,000. Okay, or see the debit side of the contract account. Material value is 90,000. Then plant issued 30,000. Wages 1,20,000. Working expenses 2,000. Administrative expenses 5,000. Okay, all these things we have to record. Add these amounts 90,000 plus 30,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 2,000 plus 5,000, and you will get the total 2,47,000. Okay, first we have to take all the expenses. Debit side, in debit side, whatever we have record the expenses, that one we have to take. Then less cost price of sold goods. Okay, material we have sold, no, sold for rupees 4,500. That one we should not take. The actual value of the cost, actual value of the material, that one we have to take. Less cost price. Okay, the costing value of material is 5,000. That one we have to take, not the selling price. Less cost price of the goods sold. Inner column we have to write 5,000. Then plant value is 15,000. That we have to take. Closing value of the plant. Starting value of the plant we have taken here, that is 30,000. Opening value of plant. This is the closing value of plant. Amount is 15,000. Add these two. 5,000 plus 15,000. You will get 20,000. Clear? Now add these two figures. Sorry, less. Minus. From 2,47,000 minus 20,000. You will get 2,47,000. Understood? From 2,47,000 minus 20,000, we'll get 2,27,000. This is expenses incurred up to 31st December. Next, to complete this contract, they have made some additional expenses. Some items are added. So write here, add additional expenses required for completion of contract. So what additional expenses they have incurred to complete this contract? Say this last one. Estimated. It was estimated that point A, read the point A. The contract would be completed in the further period of 3 months when the plant will have a residual value of rupees 5,000. Okay, first we'll take the plant. So what is the closing value of plant? Plant at site on 31st December. That is 15,000. So plant 15,000 less residual value. Residual value of plant is 5,000 less 5,000 and you will get 10,000. Okay, from plant, from the closing value of plant less the residual value and you will get 10,000. Wages, read the B, point B. The additional wages required to complete the contract amount is 20,000. Wages 20,000. Then point C, the additional working expenses would be 3,000 and administrative expenses rupees 2,000. So the administrative expenses is 2,000 and working expenses is 3,000. And the last point D, the material required would cost rupees 13,000. Material 13,000. Okay, add these amounts. 10,000 plus 20,000 plus 2,000 plus 3,000 plus 3,000. 13,000. You will get 48,000. Add these two amounts. 2,27,000 plus 48,000. The total is 2,75,000. This is called estimated total cost. Okay, to get the estimated total cost, what we have to do? First, we have to take the expenses incurred up to 31st December. Then we have to less the any income or the plant value if they have given in the contract means that we have to less. After getting this amount, we have to add the additional expenses which they have incurred to complete the contract. And total of these two information is called estimated total cost. So we have got now estimated total cost. So let's calculate the estimated profit. For that, note number 2, ascertainment of estimated profit. Okay, all these informations I have already given to you. Profit on incomplete contract, I have made the video. So in that I have told you what information you have to take to calculate the estimated profit. You can check on my channel. Okay, ascertainment of estimated profit. So first we have to take contract price. So the first sentence. Read the question. Anup Construction undertook a contract of rupees 4 lakh. So the contract price is 4 lakh. Contract price 4 lakh less estimated total cost. Just we have calculated. Estimated total cost. Less estimated total cost 2,75,000 from 4 lakh minus 2,75,000. You will get 1,25,000. This is estimated profit. Okay. From contract price, you have to minus estimated total cost and you will get the estimated profit. So we have got estimated profit. Now we'll calculate the amount of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. For that, prepare note number 3. Profit transferred to profit and loss account based on estimated profit. So to calculate the profit, formula is profit and loss account is equal to estimated profit into work certified divided by contract price. So estimated profit is just now we have calculated, that is 1,25,000 into work certified. Work certified amount is, see in the problem, 3,60,000. So we'll take here divided by contract price. Contract price is 4 lakh. 1,25,000 into 3,60,000 divided by 4 lakh. And you will get 1,12,500. So this amount is transferred to profit and loss account. Got this calculation? First, we have to calculate the estimated total cost. And after getting the total estimated cost, we have to get estimated profit. And after that, we have to calculate the amount of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account on the basis of estimated profit. I hope you got these calculation. Okay, let's go to our contract account. Okay, just now we have calculated the amount of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. Okay, let's transfer to profit and loss account. To profit and loss account, amount is 1,12,500. Just we have calculated in note number 3. And remaining amount to reserve. Okay, notional profit is 1,43,000. From that minus 1,12,500. You will get 30,500. This amount is transferred to reserve. And total of these two, 1,43,000 and here 1,43,000. Okay, got this problem? Here our contract costing chapter is done. Okay, in my next video, we'll start the chapter 4, that is process costing. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.